Digital Assignment 2 Modern Surveying Instruments by Ameya Prasad Joshi, 16 BCL 1051. The subject is of surveying. The following examples of modern surveying instruments are Electronic Distance Measurement (EDM) instruments, Total Station, Global Positioning System (GPS) and Automatic Level. Electronic Distance Measurement or EDM is used for measurement of distances and their directions, which can be obtained by electronic instruments that rely on propagation and reflection of reception of either light waves or radio waves. They may broadly be classified into three types: infrared wave instruments, light wave instruments, microwave instruments. First type is infrared wave instruments. These instruments may measure distances by using amplitude modulated infrared waves. At the end of the line, prisms mounted on target are used to reflect the waves. These instruments are light and economical and can be mounted on theodolites for angular measurements. The range is of 3 km and the accuracy achieved is plus or minus 10 mm. Example is Distromat D1000 and Distromat D15. The second type is light wave instruments. These are instruments which measure distances on the basis of propagation of modulated light waves. The accuracy of such an instrument varies from 0.5 to 5 mm per kilometer and has a range of nearly 3 km. For example is geodemeter. The third type and the last type is microwave instruments. These instruments make use of high frequency radio waves. These instruments were invented as early as 1950 in South Africa by Dr. T.L. Wadley. The range is of 100 km and can be used during both day and night. For example, teleurometer. Second, total station. Total station is a lightweight, compact and fully integrated electronic instrument combining the capability of an EDM and an angular measurement instrument such as wild theodolite. Total station can perform the following functions: distance measurement, angular measurement, data processing, digital display of point details, storing data in an electronic field book. The important features are keyboard control, everything is keyboard operated. Digital panel shows the values of distance, height, angle, etc. Remote height object shows heights of inaccessible objects such as towers and it can be read directly. The microprocessor is provided with an instrument that applies correction for curvature of Earth and mean diffraction automatically. Traversing program. The coordinate and the reflector and the angle or bearing on the reflector can be stored and can be recalled for the next setup of instrument. Setting out for distance, direction and height. Whenever a particular direction and horizontal direction is to be entered for the purpose of locating the point on the ground using a target, when the instrument displays the angle through which the theodolite to be turned and the distance by which the reflector should move. Next is Global Positioning System or GPS. It is commonly used in mobile phones and while driving vehicles so that it can take us from point A to point B. The Global Positioning System was developed by US Defense Department and is called as Navigational System. With time and ranging Global Positioning System, Navstar GPS or simply GPS. For this purpose, US Air Force has stationed 24 satellites at an altitude of 20,200 km above the Earth's surface. The satellites have been positioned in such a way at least 4 satellites will be visible from any point on Earth. The user needs a GPS receiver to locate the position of any point on ground. The receiver processes the signals received from the satellite and computes the longitude and latitude and the elevation of the point with respect to datum or sea level. The last is automatic level. Automatic level is a special leveling instrument used in surveying which contains an optical compensator which maintains line of sight or line of collimation even though instrument is slightly tilted. This instrument is vaguely used in rough terrains or hilly regions where the land is not so straight or smooth. The example is Wild NAK2 automatic level. This is the end of the digital assignment 2. Thank you.